Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram story song not available. Yes, this could be a quite problem, but don't worry about it, it has two solutions for this problem. Just get off from your Instagram and go to your settings on your phone. And then you need to select applications and go for manage applications, the second selection. Right after that, on the search box you need to type for Instagram, and just on the data usage you need to offload this application, or you need just to take off mobile data. Just take off, get back, and you need to scroll down and go for the third selection and then select clear cache. Go OK, and now get back to your Instagram. Go on the profile section on your account, then select the three dots on your right upper side and go for settings. Right after that you need to go for account and you need to scroll down. Now you need to go for switch account type, and if you have these two options which says personal account and creator account, and you can have the chance to switch to them, that means that right now we are on professional account, and that is a good mentionable site which could be in better sites to get better fixing site method to this problem. Thanks guys for watching, I hope help you. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.